How to make an animation for your subscribe button. First, scroll down default text, click system, and click Arial Black, because in my opinion it looks the best. However, you can choose any other font. Then click this one, so it has this, and then type subscribe. Scroll down until you see the color, and change that to red. Then go like 15 frames to the right, and then do transform and blend. Then go back to the very beginning and do transform and blend again. Then scroll it up. Then you should get this animation, but then make a cut near the keyframe, but not too near it. Then you want to do transform and blend again. Go somewhere over here. Like I'd say right here is good. Then make another keyframe. With the blend and transform again. Then go to the beginning. No. Then go to the end and change the scale. So then it goes down. Then right here, add another keyframe with transform and stuff and blend. And then go back to the middle one and check what the scale was. So since that was 38, you want to change this to 38. Then go a couple of frames to the right again. Make a transform keyframe and a blend keyframe. And then put it back at 100. Now it should look like this. However, now that you did that, the very right one, scroll down to color and change it to white. So then, now you've made it. It should look like this. Now for the sound effects. Okay, go on your YouTube studio and scroll down to library and then try and get pen clicking and punch swoosh series. Scroll down the punch swoosh one and cut a little portion of one of the punches. Delete the first one, but not the second one. We're going to need that. And to around in the middle, move it to there. So then it should sound like this. And then right here, this is what we want. What we want is, here, you know what? Grab the punch swoosh ones and turn the volume down, because we don't need that right now. Now, grab your pen clicking one and try and time it in the middle of here. In the middle of the gray one, the gray text, and the red text. And then it should sound like this. If it stays subscribed, I can fix that. What happens is you accidentally click the delete key. Okay, so when you try and delete something, it sometimes accidentally deletes the keyframe. So you just want to add that keyframe back. And then it should, that. And then get the volume up for the punching ones and cut cut another one. And then you can delete this one. However, also you can do Control C, Control V on the first one. However, I just did this for the video. Now, try and find where, okay. Now, go where you want to end it and make another cut. Then, add a keyframe, blend, and then go 15 frames around. Alright, now that you have this keyframe, move it back up. Then grab the second swooshing one and put it in the middle of where that is. And then you're complete. This is what the final product should look like or sound like.